Okay, let's have a look at this question. What is the maturity value? So that automatically means when they talk about the maturity value, that would be yes, that is the future value. What is the maturity value of $10,618 loan borrowed at 3.34 compounded quarterly? So that results in these fours here for 5 years and 8 months. All right, good. So we can start. We have the numbers put in. We have the interest. It's right here, 3.34. And that is the number in here. The present value is this 10,618. As usual, the payment is zero because it is one deposit that is being made, and then we will proceed to find the future value, all right, or the maturity value, as I told you before. Anytime you see maturity value, accumulated value, the, they are all synonymous or mean the same thing as the future value. All right, so there are the values. The compounding quarterly results in the 4. So Py equals Cy. We can enter a 4 in there. We will calculate N. The Iy value is 3.34. The present value is 10,618. The payment is 0. And this is the number we are computing is the future value. All right, if I put that in, then we'll get the red lettering, meaning that this is not a numerical value. All right, so with that said, we can now invoke or unravel or unfold the calculator to do the calculations. All right, so maybe if we can position it nicely, we can probably get a view of everything and see what's happening. Okay, so we're not computing, sorry. We go second, IY, and there PY comes up. We enter the 4 as it shows right there, and that shows the PY. And with that, I will move the calculator. So now we go down just to check that CY is also 4. And with that, we hit this clear. As I told you before, if you'd like to get rid of this display, then just hit clear again. Now, 5 years and 8 months has to be converted into years. So we do so by starting with the months. So 8 months, if we divide that by 12, because there are 12 months in a year, that will give us, we can click on equal, that will give us how much of a year it is. In this case, it's 0.66 and the 7. It's rounded to the 7 at the 7th decimal place. Now to that we must add 5, so we go and we add 5 and we get this number here, which is this number right here. Okay, yes, here I just did it 8 divided by 12 plus 5. I did click on the equal when I divided 8 divided by 12. You can, but you don't have to. But anyway, the end result is this display right here. So now we go second n. And I told you that multiplied by the PY value of 4. Now, the number has not yet been inputted into N, so we click on N and there it goes in. All right, so that is the correct value as we see displayed there. Now we go to the interest rate. Interest rate is 3.34, and we click the interest there. And 10618 is the present value. 10618, that is the present value. 0 for the payment. That is what we do here. And then we compute the future value. So we compute future value, and there is the answer. So that is the number we will enter into the answer box here. Okay, so we have a value for n. That value is, let's put it in here. So it's 22. Point, I will put in 6 sixes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put the 7. And this answer here, I will replace the CPT with 12820.32. And let us submit and see what happens. And all green check marks, all is well. And that is the end of that question.